Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix PowerShell not showing not open. We are going to enter features in the search box. Open, turn Windows features on or off. In the pop-up window, you must check or confirm that the box is active. Windows PowerShell 2.0. Click OK and wait for the process to complete if necessary. Now you can confirm if you have access to the PowerShell console. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.